Welcome back, Hobby Collectors and Diecast enthusiasts, to another episode of Crip's Garage. This video is I'm taking up on 57Fordman's motorcycle diecast challenge. This was sitting. There we go. And anyhow, I'm just going to put the bikes on here. These are from the Ramblers from the 70s, these first few, and then the rest are just normal castings, but this one's missing the tank and the handlebars. They also came with let's go. There we go. Has a little kickstand. Yeah, they also came with a little rider to them, which are pretty cool. These are pretty rare, hard to find. Hard to find with the rubber wheels on them. And I'll show you an example of that. I've got 3 of these, all 3 of them missing the front rubber on the wheel. Probably just the rubber got old and cracked and fell off. I don't think people cut them off. They could probably get like a washer or something, stick on there, cut it and glue it, maybe make it look cool if I felt like it, but I'm not really that worried about it. Alright, so let's get to some of this other stuff here. There's a neat little dirt bike that doesn't stand on its end. Suzuki. Missing handlebars. I don't know why bikes keep losing their handlebars. These kids just break them off for some reason. Here's another neat little Moon Racing Hot Wheels bike. This is one that doesn't really stand on its own. I can't make it stand on its own. I'll just go through some of these. I don't know the names of these, Scorchers, whatever. I'll just put them on and spin them. I know not a lot of people collect Hot Wheel or diecast motorcycles in general, so I had to jump on it because I do. I think it's pretty cool. I like this Richard Petty delivery one. It's pretty awesome. I also like that they do stand on their own. Here's one with the Mother's sponsorship logo on there. thing looks like a drag bike. And you got the crotch rocket type of bike. Here's a pretty heavy, like a 57 Chevy with a motorcycle front end. All these are kept in plastic bags and in my jammers. That's why you're hearing that noise, me taking them out of the plastic bags. I think 99% of these are all blister pulls. Details on these are pretty neat. There's your classic chopper, black with flames. Pretty standard in the chopper world. Probably have the biggest motorcycle diecast collection. Imagine I don't see that many on here on YouTube. Here's the Padres. I'm from San Diego, so I root for them when they're in the playoffs, which is rarely. It's our only professional sports team we have left. The Chargers went to LA. There's a nice pearl pink bike. Kind of like this dark background with a kind of just a slight light on there. It I don't know, kind of makes it look kind of cool. Displays nicely. Just enough to show the paint. It's a neat little trike. I have a pretty cool little sidecar with a couple of guys in action. And just for the heck of it, got the Harley-Davidson panel wagon. And we got the Harley-Davidson Ford F-150. And that is it. Put a bike in the back. Too big. Anyhow, there you go. 57Fordman. There is your challenge. And if you guys have any motorcycle castings that you want to share, by all means, it's 57Fordman's motorcycle diecast challenge. So give him a shout out. And I also want to shout out Red Room because I actually was watching his video on his bikes, which got me excited to do mine. So happy hunting and have a great day.